Urhobo
Hello, our dear grown-up family. It is another day to learn our mother tongue. Today, we shall look at the rules governing doers of an action in Urhobo. In English, the verb is trade and the doer trader. You just add R to the verb. In Urhobo, we do something similar. We add or O to the beginning of the verb. So the word tweki or tweki means to trade. A trader is called tweki. Now, let's try another one. Ni means to look. And eki means market. So, neki means to shop or go get something in the market. So a customer or client is oneki. There are more examples. Onyikon means messenger. Onwumia means worker or laborer. Sometimes you will see words that don't follow this pattern, but most do. So, when you hear a word starting with or O, it's probably someone who does an action. Simple, right? Can you think of any doer in Urhobo? Write it in the comments.
Urhobo